Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from hookdaloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, click the bell icon. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. I have done a beautiful Madhubani painting on a terracotta plate, and I'll be using this as a wall decor. So let's begin the tutorial. I bought this plate from the local market, and at first I did the outline of the picture, and now I will be painting on it. So I chose bright colors for making this wall decor. I'm using acrylic paints. have used the 000 brush size and the black colored acrylic paint for doing the detailings of the Madhubani painting. So our painting is nearly completed. We are just doing the little bit of finishings. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow and you got a beautiful idea of a wall decor. As you can see, the plate has got 2 holes at the top, so you can always hang it to your wall using strings. And this is the end result. Isn't this beautiful? I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I have a website at www.hooktailloops.com, so I write my creative blogs in my website, so stay updated. My channel is filled with varieties of crafts, tutorials, so you will just love it here. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.